We all know that having a diversity of plant foods is really good for us. It offers a broad spectrum of phytonutrients and antioxidants that we get from plant foods and a real mix of fibres that nourish our gut bacteria. But sometimes it can feel overwhelming and like it's quite a time-consuming task. So we're going to show you how to put together a really simple plate of food that brings in lots of different components of plant foods. With salad leaves, bright colours and bold flavours indicate nutrient and polyphenol content, so go for a good mix. Here we have tomatoes, pepper and squash roasted with harissa. Pre-roasting veg and having them in the fridge makes it so much easier to get more vegetables into dishes like this. These are our shiitake mushrooms, rich in beta-glucans, a soluble fibre that's been strongly linked to improving cholesterol and boosting heart health. Beetroots, purple carrots and shallots. Some raw veg is great, but you don't want to overdo it. So we've blanched these broccoli and green beans to add some texture and crunch. Pulses add all-important protein. We've got chickpeas braised in turmeric, but these bold bean chickpeas and white beans are so good you can just spoon them straight out of the jar. Whole grains can make these kinds of dishes a bit more filling. We've used wild rice. Nuts and seeds add flavour, texture and count as plant foods too. Dressings are all important in meals like this, upping flavour intensity. This is tahini and lemon juice. Yoghurt would have been a lovely addition too. Fresh herbs are a win for upping diversity of plant foods. They're also packed with antioxidants and nutrients. Seeing this much colour on your plate is such a joyful sensory experience. There are no rules to how you put them together, just play around with what you have to hand and enjoy.